Greetings to all students. Today we will learn how to make flashcards with the help of plain paper. Let's learn making these flashcards. Dear children, for making flashcards, first take a white plain sheet. Make 3 folds of this sheet in the lengthwise direction. First fold and second fold. Now the sheet is divided into 3 parts. Then again fold this sheet from upward to downward in 3 folds. See dear children, with these folds there are 9 different parts on this white sheet. With the help of scissor, we will cut all these 9 pieces. Be careful dear children while using scissor for cutting these pieces. We have cut 9 equal pieces from one A4 size white sheet. Now we will make 9 big pieces from another sheet. We will fold this sheet into 2 parts. First and second. Again from upward to downward direction, we will fold this sheet for 3 times. This sheet is divided into 6 equal parts. We need 9 pieces, so we will cut 3 big pieces from another sheet. See dear children, now we have 9 small pieces of paper and 9 big pieces of paper. From one corner of these small pieces, we will cut them in the upward direction. In the same way, we will cut these 9 big pieces of paper from one corner in the upward direction. Now we will write counting from 1 to 9 on the small pieces of paper. On the 9 big pieces of paper, we will write counting 10 to 90. While writing on big flashcard, be careful that 0 should come under the small piece of paper. See 1 and 0 under this small piece of paper. We will write 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 90 on these big pieces. Flashcards are ready for counting. 60 and 4. 64. 80 and 5. 85. 73. 41. This is a fun play game. You can play with cards. While playing, you can learn counting with cards. You can make these flashcards on colored paper also, or you can decorate your flashcards with various different colors of your choice. Thank you.